What's up mga higala? Maayong adlaw, magandang araw, konnichiwa. Good day my friends. Well, here I am back in my kitchen, and this video is going to be the first in a series of videos which I call Questionable Cuisine. That's right, Questionable Cuisine. Now, here's the thing, I've come up with these recipes all by myself, but I've never actually tried to make them, and I've never actually tasted them. And the ingredients, or combination of ingredients I should say, is indeed questionable. So, let's get started. Alright, so today, magluto ko tuna pancakes. That's right, I'm making tuna pancakes today. Now, I'm just going to be preparing for myself because for some reason nobody else wanted to try them. But that's okay. So let's get started with our ingredients here. First of all, we got pancake mix and the other ingredients that goes along with making pancakes, eggs, milk, etc. Now I chose the gluten-free pancake mix this time because, well, you know, I'm watching my weight. And I have to make sure I maintain this slim physique. Shut up. And next, we have tuna, a light tuna here. We're also going to be using some garlic and soy sauce, Italian dressing. I chose Italian dressing over ranch dressing because, well, it has less sugar and, you know, my physique. So, but feel free to use ranch dressing, really any kind of dressing you want. Alright, and lastly, marshmallows. That's right, marshmallows. Now I chose the fruity fun marshmallows because, you know, they're going to make sure that your pancakes are just bursting with flavor. So that's it for the ingredients, so let's start preparing. Alright, first we're going to prepare the tuna. We're going to put the tuna... Okay. And put the garlic, which I've diced here. Okay. And just a little bit of soy sauce. Here we go. Not too much, not too little. Okay, perfect. All right. So we're gonna mix that around in the bowl. Good. Smells delicious. Okay. Alright, and we're going to let that set while we prepare the pancakes. Alright, we should start making the pancakes here. Yes, there we go. Nice big pancake. Alright. Oops. It's okay. So it's a broken pancake. There's better a broken pancake than a broken heart. Alright, now we've set our pancake aside, it's finished. And now we're going to start cooking or warming up the tuna mixture here. Very good. Won't have to cook this for too long. Just gonna warm it up a bit. Let's see. Let it warm up. Alright, next we're gonna add a spice to the tuna mix, and in fact I'm just gonna choose a random spice from my spice tray here. So let's see what we come up with. Bay leaves. Okay, so we're gonna add a bay leaf to this tuna pancake. Okay, let's go with it. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put in a couple of bay leaves here. Let's do two. Why not? Why not coconut? Okay, 2 bay leaves. All right. Set around a bit. Yep. Okay. Gonna get some nice flavor in this now, right? All right. Okay. Bay leaves. Okay, then next, we're gonna go ahead and add some marshmallows. All right, here we go. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, that'll work though. All right, get the marshmallows in here. We're gonna mix it around, looking good. Make sure we get that flavor, that good sweet flavor in the tuna. Very nice. It smells delicious, let me tell you. Alright, now it's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and put our delicious topping onto our pancake. That's right, very good. Look at that creamy marshmallows, delicious tuna. Very good. Alright, perfect. Alright, and for the topping, we're gonna add a little bit of Italian dressing to give it some little extra flavor. Okay, yeah, just a little bit here and there. Okay, that's good. Perfect. This looks so appetizing. Some might think. Maybe. All right. Okay, and we're ready to eat. All right, guys. So here we go. The taste test. Now, again, I've never tasted this before. I've never cooked it before. Never tasted it. This is the first time. So, Lord bless this food because I'm really gonna need it. All right, here we go. First bite. Well, it's definitely interesting. You can taste the sweetness of the marshmallows a bit. Wow. Ay nako. Ay, Jesus Maria. Okay, well, it was, I'm sure your friends and family will enjoy it, and they may never speak to you again, but, so yeah, I think I'll just put this away and maybe have, warm it up later and finish it later. So, thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video. And of course, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.